Tai Yin, another one that's we have learned before. Tai Yin, please make sure that you don't mix this together with the Jimen that's featured. Okay. Tai Yin is also a wealth. That means you're able to accumulate wealth. Comparatively, Wuqi, the military, is the #1 wealth creator. Subsequently, we have Tai. In fact, we have quite a few of them. As we go along, we will explore more. But in terms of the stars itself, the Tai Yin itself is one of the wealth star. Wuqi, military. Tianfu, the treasury. 3 of them will be considered the wealth star. Okay, what does this moon star? Wow, I'm almost going to talk about 1.5 hours already. I'm just completely Okay, anyway. Yeah, where were we? I know Rani want to sleep already. What time over there? 11 o'clock already. Almost, or 12 o'clock already.
Close to 12.
Close to 12 already, goodness. Luckily, I don't have any student from New Zealand. By the time it's already 1 o'clock. Or Hawaii. Hawaii will be 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 a.m. already. Then was like, oh, shucks. Okay, anyway. Tai Ying. Okay. They are an emotional person, sensitive person. So be careful about how you talk to them, how you speak to them, how we communicate to them. Very, very sensitive person. Okay, of course, being emotional, they sensitive, they also pretty artistic. Okay, take care of home style. What do you mean by that? That means they take care of home. Make sure that they are able to take care of home. Which means, take note, this one is a moon star. If this is a person who is a moon, that is a guy, then they will tend to be more in perspective. They will behave a little bit more like a woman. Have you seen people, those guys that behave a bit more like a woman? They speak softer, the way that they act, behave will be much more similar to women. And they like to do woman activity also. And ironically, when they mix a guy that is a moon, when they mix with people who are female, they can blend in very nicely one. So interesting. But anyway, same thing this money accumulation. They are very meticulous also, very detailed planners. That means because they are very sensitive, they can be very good in terms of detailing. That means small little things they are able to spot easily. Which means that indirectly we can say that this person not easy to be, we can't trick this person. Not easy to trick, not easy to lie to this person because anything that we say, we do is going to be pretty, they are able to be very observant in what you say. So small little thing they will catch. And then from there, they will know whether you are lying or not. Okay, next one. Lazy and scheming. Okay, when the negative energy activated, this will be likely to happen. So if you notice, in this lesson, I always talk about positive and negative energy. In Qimen, in Zhiwei Dosu, there's these 4 categories of energy. Technical term is called 陆权科技. 陆权科技. But 陆权科技 in English, there's no such word. If I were to use the 陆权科技 to explain, then some of you will be totally blurred. So I will rather use some more common terms like positive energy, negative energy. You see, as we go along, we'll blend into this. When is a positive energy activated? When is a negative energy activated? Positive means good things. Things will be smooth. The negative energy will be things related to, oh, there's mishap, uh, bankruptcy, things will not be smooth, that a lot of illness, so on and so forth. So as we go along, we will categorize all this positive, negative energy. It's not just two, there are four sets of energy. As we go along, we will try to blend into this so that you can understand all this, what does it mean. So if you are interested, you can research what is 陆权科技, but you'll be quite confusing because that one is the so-called higher level of 紫微斗数. This one probably many, many months later, then we will touch base. But I will try to give you the no some thinkers here and there just to get you prepared for it first. Okay, this is for Tai Yin.